Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add new DPI stage on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So, if you're interested in adding a new stage, you can go over into the settings. So you click on the mouse once. Now we're gonna go to DPI, and here, as you guys can see, we got all of the stages. We can also activate them or set them by default, but you cannot exactly add a new one. So of course, there's a couple of ways that you can create multiple stages, and it is by presets. So if you click on the plus button right here, you have other DPI modes. As you guys can see, this is back to default. Now this is some random stuff, and here we have our old default. So we can easily swap between them. And as you guys can see, we just created 5 new stages, and this is our first stage. For example, this is our 6th, now 7th, 8th, now it's our 9th stage, and this is our 10th. Now, as you guys can see, we got 10 stages now. So if we're counting my old stages here, we got 15 at the moment. We can create 20. So we can add new DPI stages all the time, but for one, let's say one configuration, there's only 6 available, and one is including a sniper. So if you're not using a sniper, you can easily just bump it up. You got yourself 6 stage here, and now if we're counting it, we got 24 stages. So of course, after you change something, if you want to ever go back, you can click on the 3 dots, click delete on all of those stages, and now you're back with 5 only. Now we got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and of course 11. Here we have also 12. So that is the only way how you guys can add new DPI stages on your Corsair. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.